Hello friends, I'm sure you are doing great. CountIf function in Excel. Yes, it is very useful function in Excel, and it is very useful for especially finance professionals for number crunching. Okay, so how to exactly use CountIf function in Excel? So I will explain this function with some examples so that it will be very useful for you to understand. Okay, so let's start. So first we'll check CountIf function. What exactly is the CountIf function? CountIf function counts all non-blank cells in a particular range. Okay, so for your friends, for your ready reference, I have created these formulas here so that you can very well note down. So I'll first start with CountIf. Suppose I'll put the CountIf function is equal to CountIf D2 to D7, D2 to D7, bracket complete. Okay, so it will count all the non-blank cells in this particular range. So it comes to 6. So it is giving me the count of 6. Now count blank. It will give me the all the blank cells in a particular range. So is equal to count blank range. So it will give me 0 because there is no any blank cell in this particular range. Suppose if I make this cell blank, then it will give me the count of 1. Okay, now see this formula where carefully. If I want to give the, if I want a count of all the cells which is having number is equal to or more than 2. So I'll give the range is equal to CountIf my range, then I will put comma more than is equal to 2, inverted comma complete, bracket complete, enter. So here you can see there is a 3 and 4. So it will give me the count of all the numbers which are more than or equal to 2. Suppose if I enter 2 here, then it will give me the count of 3. Okay. Okay, so moving forward, now I want a count of particular number. Suppose I want to have a count of cells which contain number 3. So I'll simply go here is equal to CountIf. I'll give the range. I'll simply say 3, bracket complete. So there is only one 3 in this particular range. So it will give me the count of 1. CountIf. If suppose I want to have a count of cells which contain alphabet A. So is equal to CountIf range. Friends, for alphabet I will have to put that in inverted comma because it is not a number. Bracket complete. So there is only one A in this particular range. So it will give me the count of A. Now this is a little smart way to use a CountIf function here. Suppose I want to all the cells which contain number 3 also and number 4 also. So uh, how exactly I will achieve this? Okay, so I will go here is equal to CountIf range 3 bracket complete. Now what I will do? I will do plus again CountIf range 4, bracket complete. Now it will give me the sum of all the cells which contain number 3 and number 4. Okay, now here I have done one small experiment, how to combine two functions in Excel. This is a very good example. Now if I want to say that if sum of count if 3 and 4 is, if more than 2 it should be better, and if it is less than 2 or equal to 2 then it should be only good. So what I'll do, I'll simply do simple thing. I will simply copy this. Now I'll put if function here. If this is equal to this is more than is equal to 2, then should be good, else bracket complete, enter. See friends, see in this way we can see it is more than equal to 2, so it has given me the result of good. If it is I'll tell you, if it is, sorry, if this number comes down to 2 then it will be better. Suppose if I make this C. So in this way friends, we can combine even two different functions. So I have made a combination of if function and CountIf function for better results. Okay, now come to CountIfs. CountIfs is a function which allows you to count if two criteria are fulfilled. So check this formula. Check this formula very well. CountIfs D2 D7. I'll show it here. Is equal to CountIfs D2 to D7. If it is A and E2 to A7 is A. So only if two criteria are fulfilled then it will give me the count. Suppose if I make this as a G, then it will show me the 0. So friends, in this way you can use a CountIfs function. Okay, now friends, this is very basic. These were very basic examples of CountIf function. Now I want to tell you how exactly use this CountIf function for advanced results. So I'll show you how to use CountIf function even for some little complicated things. Now suppose I have this data and I want to find the duplicates in this particular data without deleting them. Okay, so and how CountIfs can be used for this particular thing. So let me explain. So I'll use CountIf. I'll give the range of D3, again D3, bracket complete. I'll do one thing, that I'll put $sign here. Now it will give me the count of this. Now I will simply, please check this formula very well. You can note it down how exactly it is used. I will simply copy this and paste it here. Now as there are no any duplicates here, you can see 1 everywhere. But if I make suppose this as a 2, then it will give me 2 here. If I add one more 2 here, then it will give me 3 for against number 2. Suppose if I make this as a 1, this is second one, so it will give me number 2 here. So friends, in this way CountIf function can even be used for some complicated and advanced things. I hope this video was useful to you, and if yes, please subscribe to my channel so that you will have access to the videos which will be uploaded in future also. And please don't forget to click on like button also. Thank you.